Good day everyone, my name is Emily Fabilion and now I will discuss to you information, media, and technology skills. People in the 21st century live in a technology and media saturated environment marked by the following. So first is access to an abundance of information. Second, rapid changes in technology tools. And third is the ability to collaborate and make individual contribution on an unprecedented scale. Therefore, to be effective in the 21st century, everyone must be able to exhibit a range of functional and critical thinking skills related to an information, media, and technology. So, information literacy. It refers to accessing and evaluating information critically and competently and managing the flow information from a wide variety of sources. So the skills is access and evaluate information. The sub-skills is access information efficiently, time, and effectively sources. Evaluate information critically and competently. And the second skills is use and manage information, and the sub skills is use information accurately and creatively for the issue or problem at hand. Manage the flow of information from a wide variety of sources. Apply a fundamental understanding of the ethical or legal issues surrounding the access and use of information. So information literacy ay ay ang kakayahan ng isang tao na maghanap, mangalap, o mangalap at mag-intindi at magbigay halaga sa iba't ibang uri ng impormasyon. So, information literacy ay tumutukoy sa kakayahan ng isang tao na maging mapanuri at maalam sa paggamit ng impormasyon sa iba't ibang aspeto ng buhay. So, um, if mangalap tayo ng impormasyon, huwag natin basta-basta itong ikakalat. Kailangan nating intindihin, unawain ang mga impormasyon na ating nakalap dahil if um, if tayo ay mag-spread ng mga impormasyon na hindi natin alam at hindi natin kabisado, ito ay makakasira sa atin at sa ibang tao. Media literacy. It underscores understanding both how and why media messages are constructed. Creating media product by understanding and utilizing the most appropriate media creation tools, characteristic, and convention. So the skills is analyze media, and the sub-skills is understand both how and why media messages are constructed and for what purposes. Examine how individuals interpret messages differently, how values and points of view are included or excluded, and how media can influence beliefs and behaviors. Apply fundamental understanding of the ethical, legal issues surrounding the access and use of media. And the second skill is create media products. And the sub-skills is understand, utilize the most appropriate media creation tools, characteristics, and convention. And the last sub-skills is understand and effectively utilize the most appropriate expressions and interpretation in diverse multicultural environment. So, media literacy dito natin matutunan kung paano unawain, kung paano gamitin ang mga social media na ating um, sa ating henerasyon ngayon. Marami ng iba't ibang social media na lumalabas at marami na din tayong nagagamit ng mga social media. Ngunit kailangan nating mag-ingat dahil mayroon tayong cyber crimes. So, sa paggamit ng social media is dapat alam natin at naintindihan natin kung paano ito gagamitin at kung tayo ay gumamit ng isang social media is kailangan natin sa tama at hustong pamamaraan. Now, technology literacy. It pertains to the use of technology as a tool to research, organize, evaluate, and communicate information. So, the skills is apply technology effectively. Sub-skills use technology as a tool to research, organize, evaluate, and communicate information, and then use digital technologies like computers, PDAs, media players, GPS, and etc. So, communication or networking tools and social networks appropriately to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information to successfully function in a knowledge economy and apply a fundamental understanding to the ethical, legal issues surrounding the access and use of information technologies. So, ang teknolo- ang technology literacy ay tumutukoy sa kakayahan ng isang tao na maunawaan, magamit at makipagsabayan sa pagbabago at pag-unlad ng mga teknolohiya. Ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagiging bihasa sa paggamit ng mga gadget o aparato kundi pati na rin sa pag-unawa sa likas na katangian, layunin at implikasyon ng teknolohiya sa lipunan at individual na antas. Life and career skills. Cultivating the ability to navigate the complex like requires students to develop the following life and career skills like flexibility, adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity and accountability, and leadership and responsibility. So, life and career skills ay tumutukoy sa mga kakayahan at kasanayan na kinakailangan hindi lamang sa pagtatagumpay sa karera, kundi pati na rin sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Ito ay binubuo ng iba't ibang aspeto na nagtutulak sa isang individual na maging epektibo at matagumpay sa iba't ibang larangan ng buhay, maging personal man o professional.